Hello guys, welcome to our channel Acquibots Technologies. So we are a startup company who develop solutions in robotics, automation and healthcare industry. So here I will show you the unboxing of our PCBs which we have ordered from JLPCB. You can see the link in the video. It's jlpcb.com, where you can order the different design PCBs which you can design through the softwares whichever you use, and place the order through the website of JLPCB. So here I will open the box. You can see that it comes really solid, wrapped in bubble wrap, so it is proof from external damages. So here you can see like 10 PCBs lot. We have ordered like 30 of them. So it's pretty easy to order through their website and you get good quality PCBs through them. You see 3 lots of 10s, so that's 30 PCBs we have ordered. So now also I will cut it open. So it comes in vacuum packaging, so it like the no air gets in, no moisture there. You see the silica gel that absorbs the moisture. So we designed this PCB through the software which you use, and then made the Gruber file. So as you see, like that's our custom logo of Acquibots Technologies on the back of it. So you can do this stuff while designing your PCBs to make your brand show off on your designs. So you can extract the Gruber file, make the Gruber file of your PCB, upload it to the so while you select the order, you can select the order, then upload your Gruber file, and then you can select how many PCBs you want to order from the checkout page, and it will give you the estimate. Generally it's around like $4 for 30 or like something. It depends on what quality you're using. So that's all for this video, guys. Please subscribe, visit our website, our social media handles on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Thank you very much for listening.